Hey people, welcome back. In today's video, I try to drape the Elsa Schiaparelli dress worn by Regina Kings during the Emmys award. Personally, I think this dress is beautiful and she looks amazing in it. So the next question that came to my mind was how this dress was made, which is why in this video I'll be trying to figure out how the gown was draped. If you're new to my channel, my name is Abby and this is Waka Waka. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want to. Now let's go into the video. The first thing that I did on the dress form was to make a basic outline at the top of the form to mark the beginning of the top, and then I marked how long the dress would be. I placed the fabric at the top, pinned it, and I did both of the sides. I pinned the dart from the bust point to the waistline. Repeated the step on the other dart and I trimmed the excess below the waistline. I'll be making another outline from this dart to the shoulder point right there. For the top continuation, I made an outline from the shoulder down to the second dart. And here I have about 2 yards which I folded into bias, so I have a double fabric, and I brought it onto the dress form and pinned it at the shoulder point and did some pinning at the waistline and along the neckline too. Now about 2 inches away from the waistline, I created a fabric pull-up and I also created some at the top of the bust. I flipped the rest of the fabric over the shoulder and I stuffed it with some light material, and then I pinned it also severally. Did another second stuffing to make sure that it's not falling apart, and try to create some pinches on the fabric just to make sure that it looks close to what the original garment is. I have currently draped the bodies and the side of the gown, and then this is the top part. For this top part, I actually added 2 of my garments, so there's the large one and then a smaller part, and then I pinned it to the back. For the high-low bottom part, I have a 3-yard fabric here which I folded into 3 parts at first, and then I later divided it into 4. I pinned it at the midpoint and I created some pleat at the waistline. After creating the pleat, I folded the fabric upwards and then pinned it to cover the previous pleat. And for the next point, I inserted one of my bed sheets to create the puff for the high-low skirt. I just did some several pleating around the waistline and I gradually closed the fabric. And so this is how I created the drape. What do you guys think about this design? Did I do okay or did I botch it? Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.